The coronavirus pandemic scare has made health an utmost priority for all the nations, forcing some stringent actions to control the outbreak. Our lungs are prone to several infections caused due to increasing levels of pollution, seasonal changes, chemical exposure or deadly viruses. There are ways to cleanse your lungs in a natural way by following healthy habits and adding foods to your diet that help in strengthening your immunity. The golden magic turmeric. Daily consumption of turmeric helps in reducing the inflammation in the air passage. Moreover, the presence of a compound called curcumin in turmeric helps in cleansing the lungs naturally and helps in detoxification of the body. Green tea. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that may help in reducing inflammation in the lungs. The study found that drinking 2 cups of green tea per day is associated with a reduced risk of chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD). Ginger. One of the most widely used home remedies to cure cough and cold, ginger has been known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in removing toxins from the respiratory tract. It contains many vitamins and minerals including potassium, magnesium, beta-carotene and zinc. As per a few studies, certain extracts of ginger are also known to kill lung cancer cells. The best way to strengthen immunity and fight seasonal flu and infections is by preparing a homemade cocktail or by simply going for a healthy ginger tea. Garlic. You might not like the taste of raw garlic, but its amazing health benefits will make you gobble it down, without giving it a second though. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which acts as a powerful antibiotic agent and helps overcome respiratory infections that clog our lungs and leads to breathlessness and congestion. It also helps reduce inflammation, improves asthma and reduces the risk of lung cancer.